Hello, people. Google, perhaps, is getting better and better in design, production and sales of their own mobile devices over the past few years. But when it comes to keeping the unreleased Pixel phones a secret, the search giant is still not doing very well with its task. Of course, it sometimes seems that Big G is not even trying so hard to fight the leaks, so on its official website the company accidentally posted an image of the not yet announced Pixel 8 Pro. Although the next major novelty of Google will strongly resemble its 6 and 7-inch predecessor, two key details clearly visible on the advertising image instill in us 100% confidence that in front of us is really Pixel 8 Pro. First of all, this is the rear camera system, which contains 3 mysterious sensors. In fact, not very mysterious, but more on that later. The sensors are located in one large space in the form of a tablet. They are divided into 2 side modules. On the right side of the camera we have 2 more sensors instead of 1, while the component at the top is most likely an old good LED flash, and a small round thing at the bottom should measure the temperature of the body in real time. The Pixel 8 Pro screen, unfortunately, is not visible in this image, but the back cover reveals, or rather confirms, another interesting point. Namely, that this device will have the same porcelain shade as the Pixel Fold, which is similar, but not identical to the color version of the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, Google has officially announced the date of the announcement of their future devices. This will be an event with spectators, and although the company did not say directly that announces the Pixel 8 during the event, this is a significant shift, of course. It will take place on October 4th in New York, and, like all loud presentations, will be broadcast live. Google will probably also present the Pixel 8 2 together with the Pixel 8 Duet. During these hours there may be some changes in the design, such as a thinner profile and an updated digital startup head. Supposedly, the wearable device will run on the Snapdragon W5 processor, and the new watch will be able to extend the hours between charges. It is expected that the wearable device will switch to aluminum instead of stainless steel, and this will probably help it to lose weight a little. The Pixel 8 screen will be slightly reduced from 6.31 inches to 6.17 inches, and its refresh rate can increase from 90 to 120 Hz. The Pixel 8 Pro screen can also be slightly reduced from 6.71 inches to 6.7 inches, and this time it will be a flat screen. It is assumed that the phones will have a larger sensor of the main camera and replace the ultra-quadruple 12-megapixel camera with a 64-megapixel sensor. Well, it can also present new functions based on artificial intelligence, such as an adaptive flashlight, which will allow the phone to adjust the intensity of the LED flash to improve the image under low light and segment the image parts for better processing. It is assumed that the next flagship phones from Google will have larger batteries and support a higher charging speed. The series will be based on the Tensor G3 chip. Folks, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. See you very soon in the next one. Good luck to all.